The Keycap Puller Switch Puller from New Fashion Kingdom is an essential tool for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast. This compact and high-quality wire-style keycap puller is a game-changer for those who want to customize their keyboards or simply need to remove keycaps for cleaning. The puller's wires can bend outward to fit onto various mechanical keycaps, making key removal a breeze. Its ability to hold up to 3 keys at once speeds up the process, ensuring an efficient and hassle-free experience. Crafted with high-quality steel, this puller is built to last. The sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand frequent use without losing its shape or functionality. The puller's compact design makes it easy to store and carry, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this puller will be your trusted companion for all your keycap removal needs. This set also includes 2 keyboard cleaning brushes, adding to its overall value. The anti-static brush is perfect for removing dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas of your keyboard. Its temperature resistance ensures that it can withstand the heat generated by your keyboard, making it a durable and reliable cleaning tool. One of the standout features of this keycap puller is its high compatibility. It is designed to work with most mechanical keyboards, including popular switch types like Cherry MX, Alps, and Topra. This means that regardless of your keyboard's make or model, this puller is likely to be a perfect fit. However, it's important to note that it is not suitable for scissor-type switches, so be sure to check your keyboard's switch type before purchasing. Overall, this keycap puller and cleaning brush set is an excellent addition to any mechanical keyboard enthusiast toolkit. Its high-quality construction, compact design, and versatile compatibility make it a reliable and efficient tool for keycap removal and keyboard maintenance. With its ability to speed up the process and its inclusion of cleaning brushes, this set offers great value for money. Whether you're a seasoned keyboard enthusiast or just starting out, this puller and brush set is a must-have for keeping your keyboard in top condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.